Okay, in this video, I'm going to be cleaning up this tabletop on this table and just added some reinforcements for it for this restaurant and club's grand opening next week. So this table is a big giant white oak table. It's 120 inches long, it's 40 inches wide, and the top's about 2 inches thick with two big slab bottoms with the center brace. So it's a big, heavy table, probably about 400 to 500 pounds. I put a coat, sanded this down. It's all cleaned up. And I previously put one coat of Osmo on it, probably about a month or so ago. But before they open up, we're gonna just do one more clean up. Some people that are working in the room made a couple of scratch marks and little stains on it. So we're just gonna, I'd sand it down first, and then I'm just gonna wipe it clean, and then we're gonna just rub some Osmo, the Poly X on. We're gonna put it on really thick. We're gonna put two coats on, and just wipe off the excess. So right now, we're just gonna buff it in, let it sit for a little bit, then wipe off the excess, and that's what we're doing here. So I know this video is going to get copyright, and I don't care. There's some music in the background, some of these clips. It doesn't matter to me. So hopefully you enjoy, and it was pretty fun to do. It's one of the things you get to do as maintenance for existing customers to keep them happy. You go in and refinish your work sometimes, whether it be 6 months, 5 years, whatever, to help them out, and also it helps drive up more business because I got another restaurant job from the same clientele. So that's one of the perks of doing jobs like this.